Hey guys, Ed here from Jonard Tools. Today I want to talk to you about one of our latest products, the CM-100 Cable Mapper Pro. This cable mapper will map out coax and network cables. It will test your network cables to make sure there's no short, opens, or miswires in it. It will also test telephone cables, up to 6-wire telephone cables. The tool features the following: on-off switch, button to switch from voice or telephone data, your network cable, and video, your coax cable. The unit will shut off automatically after 30 minutes and comes with batteries, 8 network identifiers and 8 coax identifiers, a series of jumpers to help you more easily connect up to wall plates and the like, and a remote that allows you to connect up to the other side of the cable to actually test your network and telephone cable. The unit also has a built-in tone generator. Simply press tone. And using our TEP-100 or TEP-200, you can check the cable for a tone. Press the tone button again. It will change the sound to a warble. Press it again, and it'll change it to a high-speed warble. Press it again, and it turns it off. All this comes in a nice carry case. Thank you for watching our video. Please take a moment, like, share, comment below, subscribe to our channel to see the latest videos from Jonard Tools.